friends, I am Sheetal and welcome back to Target Study YouTube channel. Today I am here with the details of one such professional who was once visited by patients with serious injuries, unimaginable deformities and sometime in acute pain and agony, but now has become a source of beauty and self-satisfaction. I think you have already started running the horses in your mind, but it not may be so easy to reach at the right answer, my dear friend. Let me make it little easier. The professional I am talking about belongs to the field of medicine. I suppose you are somewhat nearby. Yes, my dear friend, I am talking about plastic surgeon. This is the professional who was once required only when there was need by people with severe burn injuries or having deformities, especially on the facial part due to some kind of accident, etc. But now, as we have entered into the modern era of technology in the field of medicine and surgery, the plastic surgery is becoming more and more of a luxury than a surgical treatment. This has certainly increased the need and demand of plastic surgeon, forcing me to make this video so that you could get answers to most of your related questions of plastic surgery and especially those who perform these surgeries, that is plastic surgeons. So guys, today in this video, I am going to tell things like who a plastic surgeon is, what are the eligibility conditions for becoming a plastic surgeon, what are the skills required to be a plastic surgeon, how to become a plastic surgeon, what is the job profile of a plastic surgeon, what are the career prospects and job opportunities after becoming a plastic surgeon, what are the salary prospects of a plastic surgeon and much more. So guys, let us start with the very first question, and that question is, who exactly a plastic surgeon is. A plastic surgeon is a licensed medical practitioner who specializes in tissue transfer, body contouring and laser surgery. The restoration of normal form and function is the objective of plastic and reconstructive surgery. It is a diverse discipline that involves both adults and children and covers a wide variety of disorders in various body sections. Plastic surgeons use cosmetic surgery to reshape normal body parts for aesthetic purposes and reconstructive surgery to restore damaged body parts caused by injuries, burns, sickness or malformation. Now, you would like to know the eligibility conditions for becoming a plastic surgeon. Like every other medical professional, if you want to become a plastic surgeon, then you have to choose your career path well after your 12th class. The very first qualification that you need to acquire towards your goal is 12th class pass in a medical stream followed by a 5.5 years MBBS degree. So, MBBS degree is the basic eligibility condition to get admission in the specialized medical branch, that is, plastic surgery. Along with the basic educational qualification and other eligibility condition, you must have certain set of required skills to be a successful plastic surgeon, like good hand-eye coordination, visuospatial perception and excellent vision. When compared to the regular workplace, working as a plastic surgeon necessitates a higher degree of intelligence. You should be able to inspire others' faith and have outstanding communication and organizational skills. Besides these, you should be able to effectively lead and manage a team as well as have the endurance to handle a busy and demanding position. If you are really looking forward to be a plastic surgeon, then the knowledge of the process to become one is a must. Plastic surgery differs from the other surgical specialties in the sense that it is less formulaic and encourages practitioners to be more innovative on the regular basis. But, like every medical discipline, it demands a commitment to a lengthy and rigorous educational track, multiple levels of examinations and licensing. To become a plastic surgeon, you need to follow few steps, and the very first step is to clear +2 class with physics, chemistry and biology as main subjects. After clearing your 12th or while you are appearing 12th class, you need to clear any of the medical entrance exams so that you could get admission in MBBS course of reputed medical colleges in India. NEET UG, which is conducted by National Testing Agency, is one such medical entrance exam that enables you to get admission in the MBBS course of most of the medical colleges across India. This exam is generally held in the month of May-June every year and is taken by almost all the medical students. After completion of this 4.5 years of MBBS degree course and 1 year and 6 months long compulsory training, one has to go for specialization. Here, you get few options to choose from, and the first option is to appear in the entrance exam for a direct 6-year course in plastic surgery leading to the MCH degree offered by autonomous institutes such as AIIMS, etc. These institutes conduct their own entrance exam. And the second option is to appear for NEET PG entrance exam and secure a position in a 3-year general surgery training program leading to MS degree. Then, one has to appear in the NEET super specialty entrance exam to secure a training position in the 3-year plastic surgery course leading to MCH degree. In case you are not able to secure a good rank in NEET SS exam, you can also undergo plastic surgery training from private hospitals with DNB accreditation. One has to qualify the DNB CET SS exam conducted by the National Board of Examinations and thereafter get enrolled with an accredited private teaching institute and hospital for training. On completion of the 3-year training program, one will be awarded the DNB degree in plastic surgery. The government has announced that MCH and DNB degrees will be treated at par while applying for jobs. So guys, you can adopt any of the 3 ways to reach to your goal as per your liking and abilities. Now when you are well aware of other aspects of a plastic surgeon, you would like to know the answer of the most important question, that is, what are the career prospects and job opportunities after becoming a plastic surgeon? Thanks to its cosmetical use and increasing awareness among the people about their looks and appearance, there is a spurt increase in the demand for expert plastic surgeon. So, there are very good scope for plastic surgeons not only in the government sector but also in private hospitals and plastic or cosmetic surgery centers too. As a plastic surgeon, you may also choose to become an educationist or a researcher and find employment opportunities in various medical colleges and research centers. Now the most eagerly asked question, and that question is, what are the expected pay packages or salary for a plastic surgeon? In today's scenario, when plastic surgery, also known as cosmetic surgery, has become more of a luxury than a medical treatment, the salary and pay packages have increased considerably. However, the average salary that a fresh plastic surgeon can expect to get can be anything between Rs 70,000 to Rs 90,000 per month, depending upon the medical organization center one has joined. However, experienced plastic surgeons engaged in the corporate sector can expect to get anything between 1,50,000 to Rs 2 lakh per month, whereas in government sector, the salaries are paid according to the pay scale prevalent in a particular state or hospital. Although the in-hand salary in government sector may be little less than the private sector, but government plastic surgeons are also entitled to government accommodation and other perks as admissible. Plastic surgeons with an excellent track record running their own cosmetic surgery centers can expect to get their counterparts 1 month salary in one surgery and even more. That's all from this video, guys. I hope you find this video informative. For more such videos, subscribe Target Study YouTube channel, and to get regular notification, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.